Hey there, it's Mary at the homestead. I just wanted to get on here real quick. We're headed to Mountain View, Arkansas for a bluegrass festival. But before we leave, we wanted to take a little look at our place before we go on vacation. And we're just falling in love with this property, and we hope you enjoy this little short ride to the countryside.